Are you tired of digging through Salesforce menus just to find a queue ID? Learn how to grab it from the URL in 30 seconds. First, we'll access the queue setup page. Then, I'll show you exactly where the ID hides in the browser's address bar. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, go ahead and click on Open Advanced Setup to access more options. Now, in the search bar that appears, type Queues to filter the setup items. Once you see the Queues section in the results, click on it to open the queue list. Finally, click on the Unassigned queue. Then, look at the URL in your browser. The queue ID is the string of letters and digits after the last percentage symbol. That's it! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.